It was a cold and snowy day at the North Pole. Mrs. Claus was in her cozy kitchen, wearing her favorite red apron. She looked out the frosty window and smiled. Christmas was just around the corner, and everyone was busy. The elves were making toys, and Santa was checking his list twice. But Mrs. Claus had noticed something. People everywhere seemed so busy. They were forgetting something very important: the spirit of kindness. Mrs. Claus tapped her chin. "I need to do something," she said. "I'll make a special cookie, a magical cookie. One bite, and it will remind everyone how good it feels to be kind." She pulled out her big mixing bowl and began to work. First, she added some sugar for sweetness. Then, she added a pinch of laughter and a sprinkle of warm hugs. But something was still missing. "Oh, I know," Mrs. Claus said. She reached into her heart and took out a tiny sparkle of kindness. She mixed it into the dough. The room seemed to glow with a soft golden light. When the cookies came out of the oven, they smelled amazing. They were warm, golden, and perfectly round. Mrs. Claus smiled. "These are ready to spread some kindness." Mrs. Claus packed the cookies into a basket and called for her reindeer. "Let's visit some towns," she said. The reindeer jingled their bells excitedly. When Mrs. Claus arrived at the first town, she saw a little boy crying because his sled had broken. She gave him a cookie and said, "This is for you." The boy took a bite and his face lit up. "I feel happy," he said. He saw another child nearby who didn't have a sled either. The boy smiled and said, "Want to share my sled with me?" Mrs. Claus clapped her hands. "That's the spirit of kindness." In another town, a shopkeeper was arguing with a customer. Mrs. Claus gave them each a cookie. They both took a bite and paused. "I'm sorry," said the shopkeeper. "I was too grumpy." "I'm sorry too," said the customer. "I wasn't very patient." They shook hands and smiled. Everywhere Mrs. Claus went, the cookies worked their magic. People started helping each other, sharing, and saying kind words. A little girl shared her scarf with her friend who was cold. A man helped his neighbor carry heavy bags. Soon the whole world seemed brighter and happier. Even the animals joined in. Birds shared crumbs, and squirrels helped each other gather nuts. Mrs. Claus returned to the North Pole that evening, feeling very happy. She looked at Santa, who was drinking hot cocoa by the fire. "The cookies worked," she said. Santa chuckled. "Of course they did. Kindness is the most magical ingredient of all." And so, every year, Mrs. Claus makes her special cookies and sends them out into the world. She knows that small acts of kindness, like sharing, helping, or just saying a kind word, can bring big happiness to everyone. And you know what? You don't need a magical cookie to be kind. You can start today.